Hey guys, in today's fast-paced world, staying productive and efficient can feel like a juggling act. Whether you're a creator, a student, or a professional, constantly switching between multiple tools to get answers, create content, or stay organized wastes valuable time and energy. But what if there was a single platform that could handle all your creative and professional needs? A tool that simplifies complex tasks, delivers real-time information, and helps you achieve more with less effort. Introducing Chandler.ai, a revolutionary all-in-one AI assistant built to tackle your productivity challenges and redefine the way you work and create. Chandler.ai isn't just another AI tool. It's your ultimate companion for multitasking and creativity. With Chandler.ai, you're not just using a tool, you're supercharging your productivity and unlocking your creative potential. Without further ado, let's dive into Chandler.ai. Go to Google and search Chandler.ai, then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Chandler.ai. Meet Chandler.ai, your affordable AI assistant. With tools like Claude 3.5, Sonnet, GPT-4, Gemini, and more, Chandler.ai is here to make your life easier. You can search using the web, download it on Windows or Mac OS, and even add it as a Chrome extension. Using Chandler.ai, we can chat and ask questions to some of the most capable AI models, such as Claude 3, Opus, and GPT-4. Generate AI images and turn your imagination into stunning visuals. We can also use Chandler.ai to read files, PDFs, and websites. It's 10 times faster with websites, PDFs, images, docs, TXT, XLS, CSV, JSON, and more. We can perform AI-powered searches for real-time information and receive comprehensive answers and insights. With Chandler.ai, we can create PPTs in seconds, transforming our ideas into slides filled with precise and knowledge-rich content. Additionally, we can generate AI videos, turning every thought into a realized vision brought to screens. Chandler.ai offers more features at a lower cost. All these features are available in Chandler. Now go to the top and click Get Started for free. This is the main dashboard of Chandler.ai. Here you'll find various AI models to choose from according to your needs. You can also change the language from the available options. You can chat with documents, search, read, generate images, create PPTs, and even make videos using this amazing AI tool. For this demo, I will click on Images to generate AI images. At the top, we can select AI image models based on our needs. We can also change models later. I will select DALL-E. Now you can type a prompt or paste one in the given space. I will paste a prompt into the box and hit Enter. It takes some time to generate images using Chandler.ai's image models, so wait patiently. Here's the final result. Wow, amazing! You can also download images. I will click Download and wait for it to complete. After downloading, I will open the image. Wow, it looks incredible! Using this amazing AI tool, we can generate high-quality AI images effortlessly. Now let's create a presentation using Chandler.ai. Click on PPT. You can either create a new presentation or use a template, depending on your needs. For this demo, I will click on Create New Presentation. Here we need to set some parameters. Pages. Select the number of pages. For this demo, I'll choose 10 pages. Word amount. Choose brief, regular, or detailed. Output language. Select from the many available languages. For this demo, I will type, "What is Bitcoin?" and press Enter. It takes a moment to generate an outline, so wait patiently. Here's the final outline. You can adjust the output settings or regenerate the outline. Now I will click Create Presentation. It takes some time to generate the presentation, so wait patiently. Here's the final result of our PPT. Wow, amazing! Using this incredible AI tool, we can generate a PPT in seconds. You can add or delete anything in the presentation. For this demo, I will type Tech Root Solution. You can also shuffle content within the presentation, upload files, download content, generate AI images, and search directly. You can change the layout of your presentation by clicking on Change the Layout and selecting one of the many templates. To change the theme of your presentation, Click on the top left corner and select a new theme. For this demo, I'll change the theme to something more suitable for the content. You can also download your presentation for free. I will click on Download to save our presentation. It takes a little time, so wait patiently. Here's the final result of our presentation. Wow, amazing! Using chandler.ai, we created a professional quality presentation for free. Next, I will click on Chat to interact with files. Click Attach File, select your file, and then click Open. It takes a moment to upload, so wait patiently. Once the upload is complete, we can ask questions about the file content. For example, I'll type, "What are the keywords in this PPT file?" and press Enter. It takes some time to process, so wait patiently. Here's the result. Wow, amazing. It generated the top 20 keywords from the file. Now I'll type, "Write a summary of this PPT file" and press Enter. Again, it takes a little time, so wait patiently. Here's the final summary of our file. Wow, amazing. Using this incredible AI tool, we can extract useful information quickly and efficiently. With chandler.ai, completing tasks and staying productive has never been easier. From generating images and presentations to chatting with files and performing searches, it's a one-stop solution for all your needs. Try out chandler.ai for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used these fantastic tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.